Hello everyone and welcome back to Cute Crochet. My name is Sri and in today's video I am going to show you how to crochet this adorable holly leaves and berries applique. This is a no-sew pattern, super easy to make and perfect for beginners. This is amazing for adding to anything to make it instantly festive. You can add it to hair accessories, hats, sweaters, bags, use it as a Christmas tree ornament or even make a bunch of them and string them together to make a garland. I added mine to my new Christmas stockings. I just uploaded the video for this before this video. I'll link to it in the descriptions. So let's get started. For the leaves, with your green yarn, start by making a slip knot. Then chain 10. Here I finished making 10 chains. Now we are going to skip the first chain and into the second chain from the hook we are going to make a slip stitch. In the next chain make a single crochet. In the next chain a half double crochet. Then make a double crochet in the next 3 chains. Half double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the next chain. In the last chain make a slip stitch. Rotate your work and make one more slip stitch in that same last chain. Now we are going to work into the other side of the chain. If the last chain gets a bit loose, you can pull on this tail to tighten it. In the next chain, we are going to make a single crochet opposite to the single crochet on the other side. Work over the yarn tail as you go. In the next chain, half double crochet. One double crochet in the next 3 chains. Half double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the next chain. In the last chain, slip stitch. This brings us to the end of round 1. Now it will look like a normal plain leaf. On the next round, we are going to make the spikes. For round 2, go into that first slip stitch and make a slip stitch. Then in the next stitch, again make a slip stitch. Then we are going to make a picot. For that, chain 2. Then slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. The picot will form the spikes of the leaf. Then make another picot, chain 2, then slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. We are going to repeat this sequence one more time. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches and then a picot. Then for the tip of the leaf, make slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. Picot at the tip. Then slip stitch into the next 3 stitches back down the other side. Now picot. Then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. We are going to repeat this sequence 2 more times. Picot and then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. Now we have finished making the leaf. In the end, chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a long enough tail for tying. Make 2 or 3 leaves for each cluster. Then we can tie them together with a simple knot. You can either weave in these yarn tails or leave them to tie on something else. For the berries, bring in your red yarn and start by making a magic circle. To do that, wrap your yarn up and over your finger like so, forming a cross in the front. Then insert the hook underneath your cross. Take the yarn from the other side and pull through. Again yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Remove the loop from your finger and this is the magic circle we are going to work into. Start by making a chain 2. Then we are going to crochet 5 double crochets together. For that, yarn over, go in the magic circle and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops only. Leave the last 2 on your hook. Again yarn over, go into the magic circle and pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops only. Again yarn over, go into the magic circle and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Repeat this 2 more times. When you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops at the same time. Then chain 2. Gather up all the stitches and then slip stitch into the magic circle. This is our first berry. We are going to repeat this 2 more times for 3 berries in total. In the end, chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a long enough tail for tying. Lastly, pull on the yarn tail of the magic circle to close up the hole in the center. Now we can attach the berry cluster in between the leaves using a simple knot. You can also sew it on. You can weave in the yarn tails, but that's it. Have fun attaching it to anything and everything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.